Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to customize and rearrange your photo app layout. Okay, so first of all open the Photos application. When you open the Photos application, you can see some collection of folders. You can see here, you can see recent days, then pinned collections, then memories, then tips, media type, utilities. You can see some categories. So I will show you how to rearrange or customize this photo app layout. So I will show you. You can hide some for layout like that, or collections you can hide also. Let me show you. Now scroll to bottom. Here you can see the option customize and reorder. Tap on this one. So here you can see the collections of photos. You can see here. So some of the collections are already disabled. Recent days, people, pinned collection, memories, trip, like that. So you can hide some collections. Just disable this one. So if you want to, now I will show you. You can see the shared albums and the utilities. You can see here, right? Let me show you. Now I am going to disable this one, shared albums and utilities, just like that. Now you can see the shared album and the utilities collections is hidden from this photo app layout. Okay, now let me show you how to rearrange this one. Now you can see trips, media type and album. The first one is trips, media types and album. Let me show you rearrange this one. Now here you can see three lines. Just tap on this one and just move the options. Okay, now I am going to move the media type to this one and albums here. Like this. Now you can see the order is changed. We successfully reorder this one. So simply in this way we can customize and reorder the photo app layout in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.